Just playing. Hey y'all, what's good? Welcome back to a new video. It is your girl Neriah Nickolee back to you with another video. So today we are reviewing this equal drawstring ponytail. I really just bought it for the color. Y'all know I'm just trying to work on more color. I really like the color. I did get it at my local hair store for about $14. Right now you guys will start to see me blow dry my hair out. I really don't know where I got this blow dryer from, but I think anyone with natural hair, it's kind of almost recommended or standard to have this type of blow dryer with that comb attached. I think it's very vital in making sure your hair is very combed out and everything is, yeah, just pretty much taken care of. I'm going in with my favorite serum, this oil. I absolutely love this oil. I use it for my bundles, my hair, my daughter's hair. It's really good. It is the olive oil. It's oil, you guys. Like I just know when I go to the hair store, I'm picking up the green bottle of oil. So yes, I pretty much lathered that all over my hair, and then we're gonna go in with my concoction for my mold down. It is the Nebian Edge Control and the Pro Style Gel. These two together work well for me. They're perfect. You know, I feel like everyone with natural hair kind of has their own little concoction on, you know, keeping their edges laid, but those two for me work wonders. Don't try to fight it. There ain't nothing that you can do. Relax. Hey y'all, so now you see me taking the hair out of the pack. Disclaimer, this hair is very long. Okay, it is very long. I guess it's what you would call an extended ponytail, but it is very long, y'all, and very thick. And I will say the quality it's a bit rough. It definitely was like just horse-like. It definitely was itchy, 100% itchy. So yeah, other than that, it was a pretty good ponytail. I'm taking out the paper in the middle, and there is the drawstring. It did come with that stock card that I just pulled off. So yeah, that ponytail is very long, very long. When it comes to putting the ponytail on, I really don't like all you have to do is put your ponytail in the little hole that it comes in. But one thing I do like to do is I tighten the drawstring and then wrap it around the ponytail. And then I'm gonna take a piece of hair from the back and wrap it around the base, just so it looks a little more seamless and not too much like a ponytail, if that makes sense. We gonna ride the boogie, share that beat of love. I wanna rock y'all. I was attempting to curl this ponytail, but it does not take a curl, y'all. Don't even try, because it was a fail. I had tried like 5 times before I started recording, and it's not gonna take, baby. So this ponytail can't hold the curl, but it's still very cute. I think it's convenient for just on the go, needing to get what you need, done. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, y'all. And until next time, see you later. We got so far to go when you feel that heat, and we gonna ride the boogie, share that beat.